Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jojo Barnett. Today we visited one of the bustling rural market in Uwgheru, situated in Ughelli North, Delta State, Nigeria. Here in this market is a place where the day began with movement, color, and the simple beauty of everyday life.
This is pure gin. Even Russia cannot even compare their Uwgheru with this one that we have here. Alright.
This market is not just a place to trade, it is the heart of the community. They have many farm products like palm kernel, plantain, fresh vegetables, both fresh fish and dry fish from the creek.
Oh, they do, I beg. Fine, see, and it's fine. See, we dey buy a pass like that.
Everything you see here comes straight from the farm. And they have different type of palm kernel here in this market. Some are suitable for soup, popularly called banga soup in Delta State.
For soup, Uncle? Soup. This one. Good. This one soup or soup? Yeah. How much last for this one? This one. Give me two. No.
Palm kernel neatly arranged, ready for processing into red oil and other local use. We also have gari here made from cassava.
Give me the 1,000 now.
We start here at the plantain section. Roll of fresh unripe plantain and ripe plantain straight from the farm around Uwgheru. Coconut is also available. They have many farm products and cash crops, making money for the people of Uwgheru.
How much last? Otondaya price is plantain. 7.5. Our sell for us, I beg. We man would they go sell like this. There's nothing called meat with this. Think on dry meat when they don't dry well. You go use knife. And what palo?
In this corner, locally made dry gin, popularly called Uwgheru, display in bottle and jerrycan, prepared the traditional village way.
Even Russia cannot even compare their Uwgheru with this one that we have here in the. Mama, do the 200. Do the other take one. So guys, this is pure Uwgheru. From what is the name of this village? Uwgheru. This is pure Uwgheru from Uwgheru, Delta State. Uwgheru in Delta State. This is a local market, one of the biggest village markets in Delta State. So I'm having a taste of pure Uwgheru. All right, enter. I want to take which side is better? This how much? No, 1,000. 1,000. Buy this one. Huh? This is house, this well. So you don't go share with me. I'm thinking you go chop. Get one
fresh vegetables like ugu, spinach, bitter leaf, water leaf harvested at dawn.
I get this 300, I get 200 for my hand. Then come bring this money out from this side.
Dry fish section tell its own story. Rows of sun-dried fish arranged for sales, carrying that classic village market aroma. Even fresh fish from the creek are not left out. It's also available here.
How much last? Hey, price is it? Huh? Oh, yeah, big one. Nah, sabi that. And this one, they very, very fresh. This one, they mix now. Now, still the same of Libya. Oh, you don't know fish. Which day is that? Which day is the one? Oh, wow. I want to take you. Which side the better ready? So which one do the 500? This one's. How much for this? How much left? Not be 3. How much left? It's too much now. It's small. Gary, oh. Say you no fit carry load. Like, how they go? First, before you jump on this side.
Thanks for watching. Kindly remember to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Let us know your thoughts about this vibrant, bustling rural market. Thank you.
Cool. I know they see anything.
Golden seed from nature. Golden seed from. Look at that.
Oh, they go back. Fine, see how they say fine. Baby. They don't sell them. Yes. Say you no fit carry load. Like, how they go? One day, Madam Planted, there when you're Madam Fishy, maybe I'm a bit of a person and I'm going to hear it. Thank you. How much did you give us? So this one can be how much? This one how much? You want your bed? Now this one be the 1,000. It can't be like say big. Eh? I want more money for here. If you don't want to come in, if I look back.